How to build a bed platform for a Prius camper. This also probably applies to any other car, bed, platform, building sort of thing, generally. First step is to choose your bed design based on your needs. If you want to sleep 2 people or you're significantly large, I'd recommend a bed platform that spans the full width of the car. I only need room for myself to sleep, so I made a platform that spans 2/3 of the car. I chose this design mainly so that I could maintain use of one of my rear passenger seats. Since I removed my front passenger seat to fit my fridge, I wanted at least one other seat in the car for when I have a passenger. Once you decide between a single and a double bed, try drawing up a schematic and make specifications based on your needs. I'm 73 inches tall, so I knew I wanted my bed to extend that far plus 6 inches for stretching out. I knew I wanted a folding panel for easy access underneath.
Oh my god, it worked.
And I knew that I wanted to store a table at the foot of my bed, so I added its thickness to my height measurements. Once I had an idea of my needs, I measured the space and made another drawing with the specific measurements. Then, using a sheet of 3/4 inch thick plywood and a jigsaw, I cut out the platform. Lumber prices are high right now, or at least they were, so I found cheaper supplies on Facebook Marketplace and at a Habitat Restore store. After a few trimmings and test fits, I had the right size. Then I added my access flap. This didn't end up being that useful, as the bed is on top of it pretty much all the time, but it's a nice added feature. I used a piano hinge that I got at Home Depot for about $15. Once I had the bed surface cut to size, I chose 4 spots where I would add my supports, basically one in each corner. I used standard 2x4s for the supports. I screwed them in from the top and added L brackets where I could fit them. I'm about 180 pounds, and I haven't had any problems with structural integrity, and I've even had a guest on the bed, no problems. I originally planned to mount the bed frame to the car, but I found it wasn't necessary since it fits in the car so snugly, especially with the weight on top from the bed and whatever else I have there. Above ground, underground. Above ground, underground. I've never done any serious woodworking before, but I found this much easier and fun than I expected, if that's any encouragement to you. I've since added this little extension at the top of my bed so I can stretch out even further and use it as table space when needed. But that's about it. I hope this helps, and good luck.